Today I'm going to show you how I made this, a trophy for the 2016 Maryland Distributors Cup requested by a local brewery. Hello everyone, Ray here. Thank you for visiting my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't seen any of the videos about my homemade lathe, there'll be a link to it in the upper right, but this lathe cost me $0 to make. Free lathe, no cost, works great. One of the viewers have commented, you know what? Why don't you make a project start to finish on that lathe so we can all see how it works out? And I think that's a great idea. So today I have to make a trophy, and it has to look like a goblet. So I have this chunk of porch post, which is old growth pine, and it is very tight grain. So this is really going to test out this little lathe. And I'm going to make a goblet, and it's not going to be a hollow goblet because I need to engrave the top of it. But we'll play it by ear and see how it comes out. This is actually the biggest chunk of wood that I can fit on this tiny little lathe, and we're gonna push it and see how this little lathe works out. So we're gonna go to the time lapse, and you're gonna see all this, and then we'll talk about it at the end. Well, there you have it. Finished trophy. This is going to be a trophy for the local brewery. They're having a Brewers challenge. All I have to do is polish the top and engrave it. But, first project, actual real project for a customer from the homemade lathe. $0. Didn't cost me anything. $0 for the lathe. Actual dollars. Paying job. You can't beat that. That's the American dream right there. So, if you like the video, please like it and hit the like button. If you have any comments, I'll be more than happy to read it. If you have any suggestions, you never know. Your suggestion may be my next project. I will consider everything. Thank you. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and stay up to date on all my future videos.